Hello friends, in this video we will know about how to convert vulgar fractions into decimal numbers whose denominators are numbers ending in 9. This is the condition. Denominators are numbers ending in 9. So first we should know about what is vulgar fractions. Now this vulgar fraction means it is non-terminating and repeating or recurring. Non-terminating and repeating or recurring numbers. Okay, means the fraction whose decimal expansion is of this form. Okay, friends, let us take example 1 by 19. This is actually the application of Sutra 1, that is Ekadhikena Purvena of Vedic mathematics. So suppose friends we have to find 1 by 19. If you divide this 19 with 1, after so many steps, after 18 steps you will get the answers, which is very lengthy I think. But here the beauty of Vedic mathematics, you can write the answer in one line. Okay, let's see how it comes. Whatever the numerator you are having, you write at the extreme position, extreme right. Okay, whatever the numerator you write here at the extreme right position. Okay, friends, I am saying this multiplication method. Two methods are there for this type of calculations. One is multiplication method, another is division method. In this video I will concentrate on multiplication method. For division method you please watch my next video. Okay, so whatever the numerator 1 is here, so you write 1. Now except this 9, the number should end in 9 is the condition. Except 9, whatever the number is there, you take one more than this, that means 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Whatever the number except 9, you add 1 to that number, so you will get 2 here, because 1 is here, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is the main number here which will play a crucial role in this calculation. Always, remember the tricks, always we have to multiply this 2 with the digits coming here. Okay? 2 into 1 is 2. Again 2 into 2 is 4. Again 2 into 4 is 8. Again 2 into 8 is 16. 16 we have to write one digit, so 1 will be taken as carry. I am writing the carriage here. Okay, now 2 into 6, 12 plus 1, 13. 13, so carry will be 1. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7, no carry. 2 into 7, 14, carry 1. 2 into 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 into 9, 18, carry 1. 2 into 8, 16 plus carry 1 is 17, carry 1. 2 into 7, 13 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 6, 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 6, 12, carry 1. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 into 5, 10, carry 1. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. We are getting the same number now. That means no other divisions possible. So answer will be 0.0526. That means we have to proceed with this method till the numbers will be repeated again. Okay. So now you will cancel all these carries. The answer will be 0.052631578947368421. Okay. See, in one line you are writing the answers directly. Hope the method, you understood the method. The method is, again I am saying, whatever the numerator, you write in the rightmost position. Whatever the number except this 9, you add 1 to it, you are getting 2. This 2 is playing the main role here. this 2 into 1 is 2, again 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 8 is 16, but you have to write one digit, so 1 will be carry. 2 into 6, 12, plus 1, 13, plus similarly carry. Like this we have to proceed so that we will get the answer. We have to proceed till to such position so that the numbers are again repeated. Okay, so this is the answer of 1 by 19. Another beauty you can observe here, friends, here you are having total 18 digits. If you take the half of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you take the half of this, the remaining half, the remaining 9 digits are clearly the complements of 9. See, 0 plus 9 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9. Sum of the corresponding numbers is always 9. See how beautiful this is. Like this you can find, suppose you have to find 1 by 29. Similarly we have to proceed. Here the number is 1, so you write 1 here. Except 9, the number is 2. Take one more than this, 3. So 3 into 1, 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 into 9, 27. Carry 2. 3 into 7, 21 plus 2, 23. Carry 2. Like this you have to proceed so that you will get the answer. Okay. Now this is the task for you. Or similarly, you can find anything. You take 3 by 19. You find these two at your home and calculate the answers. I am writing the answers I calculated here. 1 by 29. 1 by 29 will be 0.0344827586620 6896551 7241 37931. And similarly 3 by 19 will be 0.1578947 36842105263. Okay, friends, you calculate by your own and check the answer. Hope this video is useful to you.